In this class we will learn about the main commands of the Inventor to remove material from a solid profile. We will use the A-Cut option of the A-Extrudia and A-Revolva commands and learn how to create simple holes with the A-Hola command. To get started, open the template shown, available in this class. To create the cut using the A-Cut option, it is first necessary to plot the cut profile. On the face shown, we create the circular profile. Next, we activate the command Extrudia, or simply type the letter E. We select the A-Cut option, click on the profile, inform the depth of the cut and confirm by clicking OK. Note that the A-Cut option removes only the material that is within the area reached by the cutting depth. Let's open the other file available in the class to know the intersection option. We edit the operation shown and we will perform a cut by intersection by selecting this option in the box. We see the selected cut profile and confirm. Note that this option performs a reverse cut to the A-Cut option, and only the material in common with the depth of cut remains. The remainder is removed. Proceeding, open this file, also available in class, and where we already have the A-Sketch created. We activate the A-Revolva command in the option to perform a cut by revolution, select the cutting profile, axis and inform the value of the angle. We confirm and see the cut by revolution accomplished. Now we will create several holes at the same time, using the command A-Hola. For this, we open a A-Sketch on the face of the model, insert several points and restrictions to define its positioning. We confirmed the sketch and activated the hole command. Note that in a plasmata we have the option from the selected sketch, so that the points have already been recognized and we have the preview of the holes displayed. We keep the A-Simple Hole option selected, to create a simple hole, and click on the option shown to create a hole with chamfer. We set the value of the largest aperture to 5 mm and the hole diameter to 4 mm. With the through hole option selected, we confirm and have the holes created. We have activated the command again and see that in a plasmata the option A linear is selected, allowing us to click on the desired face to insert the hole. Just set up as desired and confirm. You can repeat the holes created with the A-Hola command using the circular and linear repeating commands. We learned in this class to remove material from a solid profile using the commands A-Extrudia, A-Revolva and A-Hola.